Hi, today we're going to be cleaning up this Instamatic X-35 camera by Kodak. And what we're going to do is, once we clean it up, we'll have it ready for display or for sale. Let me explain a couple things about the camera before we get started. This camera is unique because it uses this little lens here, which has a CDS cell behind it, which is a photo reactive cell. So the intensity of the light hitting that creates a voltage. And what this guy did was, when the amount of light hit it, there's a series of pieces of metal with different size holes in it to adjust the aperture. And when the photo is taken, you can kind of see this guy opens up, senses the light, it'll flip the right aperture in place, and then that allows the camera to take the picture. Here, I'll let you see it again. See that guy open? Cool. This uses magic cubes. So when the magic cube is put on, kind of looks like this. It has two settings, beyond 6 feet and 2 feet to 6 feet. It uses the 126 cartridge. Get dropped right in there. You're ready to shoot. Okay, well, let's get started with the cleaning. We'll use some alcohol and a Q-tip. And this little guy here, if you open it up, watch this little compartment. This allows you to put your battery in. This guy uses a PX30 battery, or an EPX30 battery. I'm going to take that guy out for right now. Relock that little lock, and we'll finish cleaning that up. So that removed most of the dirt and grime off the camera. There's a little bit of pitting right here. I'm not going to be able to get that. But the camera itself is looking good. What I'm going to use is an automotive product now that brings old plastics back to life. So you can see there's some white spots on this little grip. We're going to work this in to all the black on the camera and try to get that shine back. So once I hit all these black surfaces on the front, I'm going to hit it with the paper towel. You can see the difference already. Check that guy out. We don't have any more of that white markings on that black. It's looking good. Okay, we're going to finish the rest of the camera now. And to show you guys the difference that it makes, let me show you. I'll just do half of this one. You can see there's some markings on there. I'll just do up to this little thing right here. The film advancer. All right, put some of this on here. And work it in really good. And then you can see, still has some mark on there, but I can't really get that off. But it is a lot shinier looking than this guy. And our last step is we'll take some glass cleaner and we'll hit these guys. Get this guy. And our last little piece back here. And there it is. The Kodak Instamatic X-35 all cleaned up. Looking good. Okay, till next time, guys. Have a great day.